Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed CRM comparison of HubSpot and Pipedrive, two of the most talked about CRM platforms in 2026. I'm going to walk you through a detailed overview of both, the main features, the pricing breakdowns, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on which CRM is right for your business. Let's get started with HubSpot. HubSpot is a full suite CRM platform. It's not just a sales tool. It aims to be your entire customer experience engine. You get tools for sales, marketing, customer service, CMS and content and operations, all built into a single ecosystem. What makes HubSpot unique is that everything lives on one platform with one central database. So if you're tracking leads, capturing website contacts, automating emails, and building landing pages, it all happens in one place. Their free CRM tier is one of the most generous in the market because there's unlimited users, contact management, email tracking, and pipeline dashboards, all without paying a cent. Now, let's talk about Pipedrive. Pipedrive is very different in its focus. It's laser focused on sales pipeline management, thinking about deal stages, sales activities, and closing more deals faster. The core philosophy of Pipedrive is simplicity. It doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It tries to do one thing really well, which is to help sales teams manage deals and pipelines. It's known for its extremely intuitive visual deal pipeline interface, which is a drag and drop one. You can see where deals stand, you can track activities and get predictable revenue forecasting. So already you can see the difference in approach. HubSpot is a big ecosystem plus CRM, while Pipedrive is focused, lean, and is a sales-first CRM. That difference really frames everything you're going to hear next. So let's talk in details about HubSpot. The main features: contact and lead management. You can track contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and interactions in one unified database with customizable properties and segmentation. There's also sales automation and workflows. There are built-in automation that lets you send emails, assign tasks, and trigger actions based on lead behavior, and this gets very advanced on higher tiers. There are marketing tools. Yes, landing pages, email campaigns, forms, ad management, all integrated natively. This is where HubSpot stands apart. And there's the reporting and dashboards. Yeah, there are custom dashboards, deep analytics, forecasting, and cross-team reporting that make it easy to measure performance at scale. There are also huge integrations, like over 1,000 apps that connect through the HubSpot marketplace, and HubSpot Academy provides training and certification resources. Let us talk about Pipedrive, the main features. Visual sales pipeline. Yes, this is Pipeline's signature, a drag and drop pipeline views that makes your sales process easy to follow. Next, we have deal and contact management. You can organize contacts, companies, activities, and custom fields tailored to your sales. There's the workflow automation. Automations help reduce manual work, although simpler in scope compared to HubSpot. Reporting and forecasting. There are custom reports and sales forecasting tools. They are available on higher tiers, but they're still strong for sales teams. And there are integrations. Pipeline integrates with about 350 apps, including Gmail, Outlook, and Zapier, keeping all your sales tools in sync. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. The pricing varies. Yes, there are the free tools, which is a free CRM at $0 per month, free marketing tools, free sales tools, free service tools, and a couple of other free tools. And there's a starter plan at $9 per month per seat. There's also a plan for marketing. There's a plan for sales, for service, for content, and CRM, and lots more. So you're encouraged to visit the pricing page to see the breakdown of all their prices. And with Pipedrive, there's a free 2 weeks trial. No commitment. You can make changes anytime before the 2-week ends. But basically, the paid plans are the light plan at $14 per seat per month, a growth plan at $39 per seat per month, a premium plan at $59 per seat per month, and an ultimate plan at $79 per seat per month, all when billed annually. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros for HubSpot. It has a generous free plan with real capabilities. It's a full ecosystem. CRM is involved, marketing, service, CMS all in one place. There's advanced automation and reporting out of the box, and it has a massive integration library and academic training. And the pros of Pipedrive is extremely intuitive and easy to use. It focuses on sales pipelines, and that makes it ideal for sales teams. What about the cons? For HubSpot, the pricing can escalate quickly on advanced tiers, and some core features are really locked behind expensive plans or add-ons. And the cons of Pipedrive? There's no built-in marketing automation, and the reporting is more limited than that of HubSpot. So which should you choose? Pipedrive or HubSpot? Let's break it down in a simple way. Choose HubSpot CRM if you want an all-in-one platform, your business is scaling and needs reporting and automation, and you like the idea of a free forever CRM that can grow with you. You also plan to leverage lead scoring, workflows, campaigns, and website automation. Yes, go with HubSpot because it is powerful. Of course, the power comes with complexity at higher tiers and also comes with increased costs. But choose Pipedrive if you're primarily focused on sales pipeline efficiency, you want something that is simple, affordable, and fast to adapt, and you prefer transparent per user pricing. Pipedrive can get you moving quickly and often with less training and implementation time. And that's it on the comparison of HubSpot and Pipedrive. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zoho, Fresh Sales, and Monday Sales CRM. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.